The Grand Rapids Public Museum is a proud partner of School News Network. This year, we have brand new guided education programs for schools. Check out our website to learn more.
In the house where me and my dad were separated, my dad used to tell me, never trust no one in this world, because when you catch someone, it's like they caught the flu, because they'll be too sick to talk to you. They've been lying to you the whole time. See the difference between me and other people? There is no reason for me to lie, because I'm going to keep it real. I can see what people can't see. I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, people really isn't big as they seem.
The Diatribe is a nonprofit that uses performing arts to empower young people to share their stories, raise awareness to social issues, and be active members in their community.
Today we're at Ottawa Hills High School. We're in our 7th week of workshops in partnership with the Fair Housing Center. Today we are looking at maps of Grand Rapids and the way that different areas and zip codes were broken down, the way that these areas were invested in the 1930s, and looking at the way that neighborhoods and communities still reflect that today.
Our partnership with the Fair Housing Center is absolutely incredible. They have the knowledge, they have the know-how and the skills of how these systems work and the systems that are in place. We bring a different element to it where we know spoken word, we know teaching young people, we know empowering people, and thanks to us both pooling our resources together, we're able to make this magic happen, and that's incredible.
We grew up on the same streets, you and me, on the southeast where everyone knew everybody. Only thing we couldn't relate to was those dates. I mean, 10, 15 were the golden days.
Always nearby, but not fresh in my eyes. I heard what was happening, but it was out of sight. The streets could be so quiet, nothing happening, or many cars passing with music blasting.
You cannot envy the branch that grows bigger from the same seed. Home is where the heart is, and heart is on 1015 with all of my family and memories. They give us the opportunity to write down how we feel. It's fun because I always thought I couldn't be a poet person or whatever, but they helped me. And knowing how people look at my community or how they judge us based on what they feel they know about us, it just makes me want to be more interactive in my community.
People can hear our voice, like kids' voice, on how we feel about our community.
Prove to them that that's not what we is. We're not labeled crime people. We're not labeled delinquents. We're more than what everybody think we is.
We have a better understanding of people and where they come from and how they live and how they get treated.
All of our programming is free to students, which is something that I love. We don't charge students, we don't charge families for programming. We want to keep art free and accessible. If people want to know more about our programming, how to get involved, they can go to thediatribe.org for information on this programming and how they can get involved with our young people and attend events.